How about this? Is this a ladybug?
Yes.
They are all ladybugs. Ladybugs come in many colors and patterns.
Whoa.
Ladybugs are insects. They are a kind of beetle. Now, not all ladybugs are ladies. There are male and female ladybugs. But the female ladybugs are the ones that lay the eggs. Look at these tiny eggs. Soon, a larva hatches from an egg. After a while, the larva sticks itself to a leaf. It changes into a pupa. The pupa has a hard skin. Finally, a ladybug crawls out of the skin. Now it is an adult. It can fly. The ladybug went through a metamorphosis. That means its body went through big changes as it grew from an egg into an adult. Now you've had a close look at ladybugs. What's one new thing you learned about them?
Drew, what is one new thing that you have learned about them?
They can be in all patterns.
Yes, they can be in all patterns. Wendy, what is something that you learned from them, from the video?
They can be lady ones and man ones.
Yeah, just because they're called ladybugs does not mean that it's just a female ladybug, okay? Or just a female beetle, all right? They're talking about males and females. Dilly, what's something you learned?
I didn't know they get start the people.
They what? I'm sorry, say that again.
They get inside the people.
Right, okay. Sutton, what's something you learned?
Well, I learned that female lay eggs.
Right. Diego?
I learned they are patterns. Some of them.
Right. Good. So each one of y'all learned it. You know what Miss Katie learned? Miss Katie learned that there's a lot of different ladybugs out there. I did not realize how many different kinds of ladybugs, because we're familiar with the ones that are red with black, or like they might have a yellow with the black dots or something, the orange.
Those are
but-
Asian beetles.
Yes.
I think that's Asian beetles. What beetles?
Hot fudge. Alright. But I did not realize we saw a lot of pictures, so that was pretty neat. What we are going to do next is we are going to do the Scholastic News. I'm going to call on a few of my friends to help me read this, and then we'll answer the questions on the back, and then we will also work on something else that will be pretty neat. All right? So will my light person grab the light? Excuse me. Alright, you want me to go back to your seats? Be careful.
You're on the spot.
Alan, sit over here, baby. Alan, over here, baby.
You can sit
Casey, come sit. You can sit on that writing table over here. Here, you can follow along with us. Okay?
over there.
Sit. Alright. Go ahead and put your name on the front. I am going to draw sticks. If you do not want to read, simply say no thank you. Will you hand me the pencil? Thank you. Alright. Go ahead and open up. I'm going to read the front of the cover. It says, "Where are the ladybug spots?" This ladybug has no spots. Why not? Okay? So we will figure out why that ladybug has no spots. Go ahead and open up your news article. Kaylin, would you like to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead and you can read the heading. at the top.
All kinds of ladybugs.
You can read that to the side as well.
All ladybug. Wait, which one?
Where it says ladybug.
Oh, ladybugs don't all look the same. Some don't even have spots, but they all are alike in a few ways.
Alright, it says as you read, think about ways ladybugs are alike and different. Alright, Kaylin, you can go ahead and read the blue box.
All ladybugs are insects. All insects have 6 legs. Counting the ladybug's legs in the count the ladybug's legs in the photo above.
So, Kaylin, how many is there?
6.
6. Okay.
Insects also have 2 antennas. Ladybugs use antennas to smell other insects to eat. Insects have 3 body parts. There are the ladybugs.
Right, and it shows you at that picture at below on the blue box. It has it's numbered 1, 2, and 3, so you can see the 3 different parts. All right, Luke, do you want to read the orange box?
All ladybugs lay eggs. The mother ladybug lays her eggs on a leaf. She can lay 50 eggs a day. Eggs are tiny. One egg is a small period at the end of the sentence.
That's teeny tiny.
The eggs are also sticky. They stick to the leaves. After a few days, the eggs will hatch.
Alright, so when they lay eggs on leaves, they are as small as a period at the end of the sentence. So that's really, really small. Okay? It also said that the eggs are sticky, but raise your hand. How many of y'all ever had a ladybug that flew on you and it stuck to you? Okay, you can notice that they are a little sticky, okay, and they'll kind of stick to you. Alright. Avery, would you like to read the red box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
This chick has a ladybug on its nose, but the chick should not eat the ladybug. Why not? Ladybugs have
Poison.
poison in their shell. They don't taste good. An animal might eat a ladybug once, but it won't do it again. The ladybug's dad taste
Helps.
helps. Wait, I didn't read that word.
They said bad taste.
Bad taste. Helps keep the ladybug safe.
Alright, so we learned that some animals, if they happen to eat the ladybug, they will only do it once because they are what?
Poisonous.
Poisonous. Okay, they have a poisonous taste and they do not taste good. Alright, so the ladybug's bad taste keeps the ladybug safe. So that's how they kind of defend themselves. That's what they do. Alright, Kenley, would you like to read the purple box?
Yes. All ladybugs fly. Ladybugs have another way to keep safe. In animal tries to eat a ladybug, the ladybug can begin to weigh fast. It can fly. Ladybugs have 2 pairs of wings. The top pair are hard. The ladybug opens them up. Tiny clear wings.
Thin,
Wings.
thin, clear wings.
Thin clear wings are underneath.
Good.
Flap, flap, fly. Ladybug fly.
Alright, so ladybugs what Kinley just read was ladybugs have another way to keep safe, okay? They can fly away very fast. If you've ever seen a ladybug fly, and sometimes the wings are moving so fast, plus they're clear, it's hard to see them, but you can kind of hear that noise whenever it comes by you, or if it like lands on you, you can hear them flapping their wings really, really fast. Alright, I'm going to read the bottom part. Everybody look at the bottom. It says, so many ladybugs. There are 5,000 different kinds of ladybugs in the world. Here are some. Which one do you like best? So the first picture is an orange ladybug. The second picture is cream spotted ladybug. Third is 14 spotted ladybug. Next one is striped ladybug. Then we have 22 spot ladybug. And then we have kidney spot ladybug. Alright? So there is many, many, many different kinds of ladybugs. Hot fudge. Alright. Go ahead and flip it to the back. Alright. It says, at the top it says ladybug life cycle. All ladybugs go through a life cycle. Okay? So we have egg, and it says a mother's ladybug lays eggs on a leaf. Then we go to larva. A larva hatches from the egg. It grows and sheds its skin. Alright? After that, we have pupa. The larva sticks to a leaf. Now it's called a pupa. It changes again. So we go from egg to larva, changes again to pupa, and then it becomes an adult, which is the ladybug is an adult. It can fly. Female ladybugs can lay eggs. Alright, so this is another animal that we're learning about the life cycle. We've already talked about the frog. So now this is a ladybug. Alright, and ladybugs are what? What did it say from the video? Sutton? Are they a mammal? Are they, what did they classify them as? So, but mammals don't lay eggs. Okay, what did it say? But Luke said it's an insect, okay? Alright, number 1 says, what lays eggs on a leaf? Wendy. What lays eggs on a leaf? Mother ladybug, father ladybug, or a pupa? Hey, thumbs up if you agree with me. Yes. If you look under where it says egg at the top, it says a mother ladybug lays eggs on a leaf. So go ahead and bubble that in. Alright, number 2. What hatches from a ladybug egg? Kinsley? What hatches from a ladybug egg? A larva, a pupa, or an adult? Larva, how did you know that?
Because I saw it here.
Yeah, you went and saw what comes next in the life cycle, and it is a larva. It says a larva hatches from the egg. It grows and sheds its skin. Okay, so go ahead and mark that. All right, number 3 says, what is the larva called right after it sticks to a leaf? Diego? What is the larva called right after it sticks to a leaf? Okay. Is it called an egg, a pupa, or an adult?
A pupa.
Pupa. All right, thumbs up if you agree with Diego. Okay, where did you find that at? No, in the life cycle at the top. Where did you find that at? Where did you find it at? Okay, so Diego says that what he did was look up at the top. He saw right here that pupa comes next, and he read the larva sticks to a leaf. Now it is called a pupa. Okay. So go ahead and mark that. Alright. Let's look at the bonus. Ladybugs go through a metamorphosis. That means their bodies change a lot as they grow from eggs to adults. What is one big change that happens to a larva? Okay, the answer choice is it lays eggs, it changes to a pupa, it can fly. So, ladybugs go through a metamorphosis. That means their bodies change a lot as they grow from eggs to adults. What is one